Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's December 16th, 2022. This is getting ridiculous for Amazon. I'm just going to keep it real. I'm going to keep it a buck. The market action in Amazon is definitely not moving. Like, we're in a very tight area that the buyers and the sellers are trying to duke it out. Like, they're in there fighting and they're trying to see which direction price is going to move. And this is how you can tell that is what's going on. Like, the market's not moving in Amazon. And I've been tracking this market in Amazon for a while. And you guys can see I'm looking for the sellers to outdo the buyers. I'm looking for the price to go down. And it's not really giving us that. Like, you guys can see right here on this particular trading day, December the 13th, how the buyers try to knock out the sellers. But then the sellers came back the next day on the 14th and then yesterday and continue to see price go down. So it's leaning more like the sellers are outdoing the buyers. But it's just getting ridiculous because we're not seeing price action. And that's one of the worst things that you can get when you're into the stock market is you're not getting any movement. The price is just being stagnated. It's stuck. It's not moving. That's not how you're going to make money in the market. The only way that you're going to make money in the stocks is by price moving. Price has to move. Now, let's take a look at a couple of time frames to see if the dominant move is still to the downside. Let's see. So let's look at this real quick on the weekly chart since we are at the last day of the trading week. And look at this weekly price bar right here. Okay, this is simple. It's not hard. It's not complicated. This weekly price bar in Amazon is telling me that the sellers are beating the buyers right here. They have a leg up on the weekly chart. The sellers do. Okay, cool. 2 weeks. Now, again, we're seeing that sellers are beating the buyers. That's on the 2 weekly time frame. And this is how we can tell from a 2 weekly chart. For one, price is closing on the low end of that 2 weekly price bar. And then two, look at all these other 2 weekly price bars that the buyers have not won. They lost. So yeah, the weakness is definitely to the downside as of now. Look at this on the 3 weeks. This is the 5 weekly chart and we got 8 hours and 51 minutes left. Like, anything can happen. I get it. But as of now, as of this recording, this is massively weak. And it tells me that we are in the right position to predict prices going lower. I just don't understand how people make this so hard and complicated. This is literally what the price action on the price chart in Amazon is telling me, that price is still weak. Now look at this though, from a 5 weekly chart like this, it gives us breadcrumbs. The market drops breadcrumbs to us and it tells us how we should be viewing the market and where price is headed. Now we're looking at this on the 5 weekly chart, right? This is not by coincidence that price in Amazon got rejected around $100. Or it failed to trade above 105 when back in May of this year, it was acting as support, meaning that buyers were coming into the market in Amazon back in May and was buying the stock here. This is where buyers were approaching and they were successful because price did not fall below this line at that time. Price even went higher, up there towards 150. But then something changed as time went on. Price in Amazon came and fell below 100. And now we're seeing that is still the case. Buyers attempted to trade price in Amazon above $100 over the last 5 weeks and they left. They're not here. So I'm still looking for price in Amazon to go down. It's just taking the market a while. Like, the buyers are very, well, I'm not gonna say very, they're getting tired. They're getting tired of trying to prop up the stock's price in Amazon trading this channel, and eventually it's going to break. But go back and listen to my video in Amazon, which was produced a couple of days ago on December the 7th to see where my price targets are at. I'm not going to reiterate. All you got to do is just go back and listen to that one to see where I'm thinking price is headed. All right, so that is it. Let me know your thoughts. Hit that like button, and also subscribe to the channel. Nothing is simpler than this. Looking at price bars and volume. We could take out all of the other noise. We could take out all of the earning conference calls, all of the fundamentals, all of the technicals, all of the fractals that everyone on YouTube try to talk about like they're some type of expert. You just need to look at the price. That's the only thing that matters. For real. Hit that like button, and also subscribe. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.